Welcome everybody to another video. It's your boy Crypto Weapon, and we're looking at a new platform, guys, that we're looking to showcase called Alligator. So we are looking just to run through with a few of the details as we are invested in this platform. I must say to you guys, this is not financial advice and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showcasing the platforms that I am rolling the dice in. And remember, guys, you need to be wise, do your due diligence, take your time, look through the platforms, and be prepared to possibly gain funds, gain money, or lose money. And please enter these projects with risk capital. I do indeed beg of you for you to do at least that one thing. Don't put your mortgage on the line of any of these platforms. Having said that, this looks like a beauty to me, and that is my perspective on this platform. So this one's called Alligator. Stake and earn with bulletproof security, so they say. Let's see what they do. So it's Alligator Core. Okay, so the revenue of Alligator Core's earned product is chosen by various activities engaged in by our AI, such as staking for rewards, investing in the DeFi ecosystem, trading binary options, providing market liquidity, yield farming, lending to leveraged traders using in a lending market, and trading digital assets in a digital ecosystem. So that's a lot of what they do. So again, it's trading, it's in that neighborhood. Please feel free to read on to all the extra things that they actually do for us in order for us to benefit. What are the benefits? Low risk. We protect your digital assets in our earned products with strict risk control, industry-leading security measures, and advanced infrastructure. Sustainable earning. Gain USDT in any market condition without principal protected. Okay, so there you have it. So financial freedom with no volatility, no fees, no barriers to entry, convenience and safety. So how do you get involved? Obviously, create a wallet, deposit crypto, explore the Alligator Core Hub, and earn. So it's simple as that. If you look at some of the FAQs, okay, how do I get involved? I think we've covered that. Okay, how do you invest? Can I compound my earnings? No, we have no compounding plan currently in our plan. Fine. Let's have a look. Is there fees? That's a good one. No, there are no hidden fees whatsoever. What is the minimum? Okay, you can withdraw from your account is 20. Okay, that makes sense. Can I earn referral commissions? Yes, we have 9 levels deep. On compensation, you get 8% of all deposits made by frontline distributors on level 1, 5% on all on level 2, 2.4% on level 3, and so on, which is pretty good, pretty powerful when it comes to referrals. And remember, guys, the DeFi space, there is more often than not always a referral. That's just how it goes. They're here to grow, and they will always incentivize sharing of your links and sharing of the platform. Can you have more than one account? So in case you want to deposit twice, you're only allowed one account, but I'm hoping you can deposit more than once. Is there a maximum amount you can invest? There's no limit. What payment processor is used for withdrawals? Okay, so you can You've got all of these: BTC, Ethereum, USDT. So those are all the payment processors. Right, okay guys, so feel free to look through the questions, the FAQs here. I think we've covered this, the minimum you can start with. Okay, so the minimum is 500. So that's quite a lot. It's bigger than your average. So you can't come in with 50 USDT, 100 USDT. So the minimum is 500. And again, if this is for you, if your risk capital is above 500, happy days. If it's not, please reassess your situation there. And I've got plenty of platforms on my channel that you can deposit as little as 10 USDT. Consider those if you don't have the funds. Do not have your hand forced at all to join a platform even as good as this. Right, I'm going to log in. Right, folks, so we're into Alligator Core Hub. So this is the wallet. So basically, my deposit is 500. So I've gone in with 500 2 days ago. So this clearly reflects when I went in, the 21st of the 7th, and I received 2750. So it's just below the 28. And I received the same thing again, as you can see, 2750 on the 22nd, and I've got 2750 again today on the 23rd. So this is working like clockwork. Right, guys, okay, yeah, so I have received, as you can see, 2750 every day. Now this is meant to give you 65%, so 165% over 30 days. So if you multiply this by 30, I should be getting an extra 65% of my seed capital on top of my 500. Now remember, you are receiving your investment along with your gains every day, so that is included. So I've been in this, like I said, for 3 days, receiving 2750. I am going to do a withdrawal today as well. So obviously 3 days I've earned a total of 8250. Okay, let's look at the earn product so you can have a look at that when you do join. So essentially, minimum of 500, period is 30 days. You can withdraw daily and it is pretty quick, sort of 10 minutes and you've got your money out. Earn 7 days a week, so you don't have to worry about the weekends for this one. So this should have you receiving 65%. Now, with this one, anything above 2,500, you're getting 6% per day. So I think after it's all said and done, with this one, you're getting about 185% in the 30 days. So it's been working very well for me. I've had absolutely no issues. You can obviously contact them here. They've got a Telegram group that you can join as well. And if we look at transactions, this will be clear to you. So I came in with 500 on the 20th, deposited, so that went in, and then earned. So they show you the earning, then they show you the line that I withdrew, and then another line for the second earning, and then what I withdrew, and so on and so on. So it looks more than it really is. Really, I've withdrawn. I've just earned, and I'm looking to withdraw for the 3rd time. Okay, and I think that is ultimately it, guys. When you do start with this one, make sure you put your 2FA on immediately as soon as you get into the platform. I will have a link for Alligator Core in the description, so if you are interested, feel free to use the link below. Take a look at the platform prior to that, have a gander and see if it's something you are interested in. So I can go back to the wallet now. So I think that's everything. The platform looks crisp. It looks well presented. I like that. They've obviously put a bit of effort here. You've got this daily graph. I guess what's this showing me here? This is series 2. What's this? Series 3. So this is the third one, and so forth. Series 1. This is my investment of 500, which is interesting. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, so a bit of a visual in terms of that. Affiliate earnings, obviously a big fat zero. I will do a giveaway for people who do join under me with this project, just to sort of give back. It's not like another project I have seen that I could actually, you could automatically pay anyone who is, like, you could transfer funds to people who are on your downline, which is superb, and I haven't seen that. But there is a project that actually does that. It just makes life easy when you want to share with the community, or at least give support back to those who have supported you. Also, guys, when it comes to anyone joining under beneath me in this platform, I will afford them their referral commission. So any commission that I get if you join beneath me, I will pass that commission on to you. So if it's a large amount, I'll definitely share that commission with you. If it's a small amount that you just got in to just have a look and see, I will transfer all that commission to you. So that's just me, just sort of trying to give back to those who join this community, because it's, well, at least join as part of my team, which I do appreciate those that have done, especially in Copy AI. And on that note, guys, we're up to 170 subscribers, guys. Please do like, subscribe, and support the channel. I appreciate you guys sort of watching any of my videos, you know, humbly. Just trying to document my journey, really, and nothing more than that. And on that note, guys, I am gonna leave it there. See you on the next video.